Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Vivo S1 smartphone. And in top you can see it comes with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. So without wasting the time, quickly unbox the phone. And in top you can see this is the small box. We get transparent TPU case. Let's keep this aside, and here's the phone itself. We come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. So in back here you can see this is the SIM ejector tool, and this is the charger. And if we talk about its output, it gives you 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere, so it is fast charger. And you also get earphone with this phone, which is good. And this is micro USB cable. Okay, let's keep all these things side and let's come to the phone. And you can see here's the phone itself. In top, the branding of Google Assistant. The smart button is here available. By tapping it, you can turn on Google Assistant. Okay, just quickly remove this plastic cover. Okay, and if you talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing. On this side we get volume rocker and power button. On bottom we get speaker, micro USB port, microphone, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And on this side we get this smart switch and SIM tray. Let's quickly eject this SIM tray and see what configuration we get. Okay, so here you can see it supports dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is good. And if we talk about the camera, in rear it has a triple rear camera, 16 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and 2 megapixel with depth sense with flash. And here you can see AI triple camera. And on front we get the 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture front camera. Okay, so quickly boot this up and set up this device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a MediaTek Helio P65 octa-core processor. It comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. It has dual nano SIM card with a dedicated micro SD card slot. If we talk about the rear camera, it has a triple rear camera, 16 megapixel f1.8 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel with the depth sense. And in front it has 32 megapixel f2.0 aperture. And if you talk about the battery, it has 4500 milliamp hour battery which support fast charging. And out of the box we get Android Pie, which is running on FunTouch OS 9. And if you talk about the security, it has in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Okay, so I have set up the device, and here you can see congratulations, your phone has been set up. Okay, now use now. And here you can see the display is looking very vibrant because it is Super AMOLED display. And if we swipe from top we get notification bar, and if we swipe from bottom we get the shortcut center where the important features and quick settings are available. Okay, let's quickly go to settings and see how many storage we get out of 128 GB. Go to RAM and storage space, and here you can see out of 128 GB you get 112 GB available. And if you talk about RAM, over there you can see 4 GB is available. Let's go inside, and if we talk about the available space, you get the 2.89 GB available. Okay, If we talk about the OS, go to more settings, and in about phone, here you can see it is running on Android Pie version 9. Okay, and the Android security patch level is of 5/7/2019, and the Vivo Roam FunTouch OS 9. Okay, let's go back, and if we talk about the smart feature, it has a smart motion, a smart mirroring, a smart split, one-handed S capture, app clone, and a smart click feature available. Okay, let's go back and check its camera performance. Let's take a photo, and if we talk about the camera UI in top, if we go in settings, here you can see 4:3, 19.5:9, 16:9, and 1:1 size available. And you can also select SD card for storage. And if we talk about the watermark, it has time and model watermark. It has geographic locations, framing lines, AI portrait framing. Okay, this is a live photo feature, this is portrait light effect, and this is HDR, tap it to turn on and off, and this is flash, same for this, tap it to change its settings. And if we talk about this settings, this is for full and 1:1 review, and this is the wide angle camera. It has 8 megapixel with ultra wide angle support. This is 2 megapixel which support depth sense. Here some filters are available. This is timer, and this is image recognizer. Okay, and if we swipe from right, we get the video option, and if we talk about the video resolution, it captures up to 1080p. Okay, fun video, AR stickers, and on this side AI beauty, Pano, Pro, and dock mode. Okay, let's quickly take a photo and see its camera quality. Okay, you can also use AI, and here you can see the camera quality is really good. I would like to say the camera quality is really good. Here you can see the color rendering is A+, and if we zoom in, we don't lose the image quality. Here you can see we don't lose the details of the image. Let's take another photo with another object. Check this out. As you can see, the image quality is perfect. If we zoom in, we don't lose the details. Okay, go back, and if we talk about its fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's check this out. If we talk about fingerprint, here the fingerprint animation, just tap your finger and see it will unlock. It is really very fast, as you can see. Just tap it and it will unlock. Here you can see, just tap it and it will unlock. The fingerprint sensor is really very fast. Here you can see, I tap and it unlocks. And if we talk about its face unlock, see its performance. As you can see, the face unlock performance is also really good. I see and it unlocks. So guys, overall, if we talk about this phone, I don't want to say that this phone has any disadvantages. If we talk about its advantage, guys, thanks for watching. This is the unboxing and the review of Vivo S1 smartphone. If you have any particular question, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.